careful, I need the juice. Oh, sorry.
Good morning from Anna Maria Island. We are out here gonna enjoy the beach today. Well, hopefully. Look over there. There's a storm coming. So we are going to try to hurry and get in the water.
Alright, Mom's going on the paddleboard first. She got first dibs.
God.
I'm very happy. Oh, that's kind of cold. It's kind of cold. I'm here.
It's cold.
It's cold.
No.
Oh my god.
Look how far those people are out.
Well, then they're crazy.
There's somebody diving out there. See the flag?
Oh, yeah.
The red thingy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a buoy.
That's a diver's flag.
Hi, Chloe.
No?
Hold on. See what I was thinking? While you're not on it yet, I was thinking like put the GoPro here and then like put it up so that way it could see you, but I don't know.
I'm scared.
Sorry guys,
I don't remember how I did this before.
Stand up.
No, I am gonna go over.
Let's just make sure you're not in the shallow one when you do it.
Here, wait, I can do it.
Hold on guys.
This one is not sturdy. Jackson.
I think you needed to blow it up more. You're going out.
He pushed me out here.
I did.
Now Mama can go swim with the manatees.
Oh!
Huh?
Yeah, Mom can swim with the manatees.
Okay, I think we should probably pack out some of our stuff.
Yeah.
It's all, everything that can't get wet is in the basket. Except for the bag. It'll
All right.
be fine.
Take your first trip out.
Well, you need to wait till I get up, Jackson. Going to attempt to stand up. She's down. It's so much harder on this one. That's crazy.
I don't want to step on a fish. Woo!
Yeah, that was scary. Okay, this storm, guys, is coming.
Yeah, it is.
It's really coming.
We are going to get rained out.
I hope not. She's big bag and tough. Let's see if he falls. Oh, he's going down. He's going down. Pant check. He's doing it.
Dang, this one is very much harder to stand up.
Yeah, it is. The other one, we just popped right up on it.
Especially me. I didn't fall off.
Me neither.
He's going far.
This is crazy.
I want to see where the diver's at.
It's gonna take a little more practice. Okay guys, I'm trying to get out in the water before the storm comes. But I'm sitting down. I'm not standing. It's a little difficult. But look how far I'm already out. And that storm is getting pretty bad. And then there's people way out there on paddle boards. They're crazy.
Okay, so Mommy is going to try to stand up. She's very scared.
Oh, and I'm her lifeguard.
Oh my goodness, I can hear it. All right, go. You got this. She's gonna fall. What?
I can't, it's tipping.
Here. Oh yeah. Oh, this footage is the waves, and I don't trust to put my feet down.
Here, I have my feet down right here. I'm fine.
Okay, hold on. Let me come where you're at. You got this. You got this. I hope you can see y'all.
My tall switch down hat. We are hunkered down
We play in this.
under the umbrella. It is raining, but I think it's just a quick little storm. It'll pass. There's people. There's people way out there. They're far out there.
If I was brave, I would go all the way out there.
I would go out in a kayak, not on this paddleboard. Shoot, I can't even stand up on the thing yet.
Don't trip over that and don't break this one.
I won't. Your butt, your butt, your butt. Guys, I'm so glad we got this umbrella. Normally we don't bring an umbrella out here, but this is one of our Costco finds. Let me get up and show you the outside. Oh, sun's back out. Yay! Umbrella. Tommy Bahama. Costco. $24.99. Best thing we got. Saved all of our stuff there. He made it up on the board. What a little stinker. He is standing up going. He doesn't have the paddle adjusted to the right height because he's bending, but he's doing awesome. Oh, he's down. Good job, bud. Good job. He did do good.
What's up, everybody? It's your favorite, Jackson. So, I'm just out here in the waves and stuff. You can see I'm bobbing up and down a little bit. And it's fun. Mom just went in on the paddleboard. Y'all probably got some footage of her bouncing around. Oh, big wave. But yeah, it's pretty fun out here. There's that same storm is over there and stuff, but still fun. Here, I'm gonna dive under for you. But yeah, it's still fun.
It's not funny.
Yes, it was.
Oh, did you see him?
Yeah. I wonder what it would look like under. That was really bad. Oh, look, it's coming on again. Is it because I put it under?
I don't know.
Here, let me turn it on. I can't use it.
Well, you got to keep the handle up and the oar down, but my feet are kind of blocking you. We are like way not even out.
You do it.
We're ow.
Alright, so I'm up here in shelter because it's very hot. I'm drinking my agua. Jackson's over there throwing sand and digging, like always. Mom is like right, so you see these people. She's like right there. Right there. So yeah. It's very rainy all out there and out there. But yeah. I think when Mom gets back, I think Jackson's gonna go with her. And they're gonna get back and do whatever. And I'm gonna go. So yeah. She really wants to swim with the manatees, so yeah. Hopefully her dream will come true if she swims with a manatee, because last time we were here, there's people. Last time we were here, there was a lady in a kayak, and she was like swimming with 5 to 6 manatees, so yeah. Update, Mom has finally got her dream. She just yelled at us, manatees. So I don't know where they're at. I'm literally squinting. I can't see manatees at all. But I think she's excited.
Show off.
I jump onto you. Come here. Hold on, wait, hold it. Back up. I'm running and jumping.
No! My son thinks he is like the professional paddleboarder now and has gone to the extreme of going out very far. He's crazy. I have just motioned for him to come back. Do you think you're the professional paddleboarder now? You were like way out there. Scared me to death.
I thought I was at the black, not like the black water. I didn't think I was that far out.
You were doing good, but I looked up and I was like, oh my God. You were way out there.
Yeah. It's the waves are like kind of like this.
Yeah? Okay.
So we just got done with the beach and we are in the car leaving as we speak.
We
as
got
I
here at
10.
oh, yeah, 10. Now it's 3:18.
So yeah, we've been here for
5 hours?
5 hours and 18 minutes. But yeah, we're leaving and the car was extremely hot.
We're from Virginia.
So yeah. Bye beach. We'll be back later. Well, not later today, but like later in a couple days from now.